Contact. Bam! Fat beats. So welcome back. This is gonna be part 2. I have no idea. Ew, Damien, don't touch it. Anyways, that's Damien running like crazy over there, and I'm down here about to fix that bitch. So, this is a crack that I'm going to be fixing. Usually when I put the car on the lift, this would spread open right here. That's actually how I saw it, because on all the grime, there was shiny metal. So, yeah, I'm going to come through with a Dremel and clean it up and then run a bead right on top of it. So, I started cleaning the crack, and as I flex the frame, I noticed that there's another stress crack right here. Let me see if I can zoom into that. How do I? Yeah, there we go. Oh, there it is. So you can hardly see it, but it's there. That's a crack. And then this. Let me see if I can get it to move so you can see it. Hold on. How do I hang up with this? Anyways, it's really hard to see, but this crack opens and closes as I hang off of this. Very slight. You can tell that Buick knew about this issue back then, because they've put a reinforcement plate, and I'm pretty sure that the Regals don't have that. But yeah. So now I'm gonna clean up this other crack, and hopefully I don't find any more. I'm gonna inspect the other side just in case, because that was actually pretty well hidden. But yeah, I'm beveling the crack, that way I have some good penetration, because I cannot get through it from the back. And the plan here is to run a fat bead all the way across. So I took another stab at the weld. And right here you can see it opening it up. It's opening up over here as well. So I'm waiting for this to cool down, and then I can finalize it. Yeah. Stress cracks. So pretty much that's gonna be it. This is gonna be this is what I'm gonna call my root pass. And now that it's cool, I'm actually gonna clean up this area right here and that area right there, and I'm gonna put one big old fat weld on top of all of that. So I'm gonna join these 3 cracks, and then actually gotta go a little bit higher here. But yeah. Woo! It's hot. So anyway, I've let it cool down now, and here we go. That's pretty much it. I ended up running 4 beads total, 1 root, 2 across, and then 1 joining those 2 on each one of these. And yeah, I just gotta clean off some of this shit. I can paint it and continue about my merry way. So while I'm down here, now that I have finished up and I tied up the brake cable and all the crap that goes over there, I'm going to show you guys some of the other things that I'm going to be removing. Since I have coilovers now, I'm going to get rid of the spring purchase here on both sides. So I'm also going to remove these. I'm going to replace it with tube. The tube's going to go literally, it's going to go against the bulkhead right here, but above this. And then the bottom of the tube is gonna go right around this area over here. I'm gonna get rid of the stamp stuff, replace it with some tube. Same on this side. This one's gonna be a little more difficult because there's more crap over here. Like I had mentioned before, the transmission cross member is gonna go away. It's actually gonna get replaced with a chromoly tube. So it's gonna be a fabricated cross member that I can easily make here. Yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna be happening back here. Everything else is in the front, and that'll be for another video. But yeah, so cracks fixed. I'm gonna start cleaning up the spots for the brackets right here and up here on both. So anyway, kind of random observation note, side note, whatever you want to call it. I got one of these deburring tools the other day, and focus. But anyways, I don't know how I've lived my life to this day without this tool, because this thing is amazing. It makes very rough holes really nice and smooth, and even on this 1/8" aluminum works really nice. Just figured I'd let you guys know. Back to the video. So here's where this bracket's gonna go, and actually let me put the welding mask down. So pretty much here's where these brackets go. I posted a picture on Instagram, and if you guys want to see the whole thing there, I mean, you'll see it here welded on. But anyways, I gotta clean this up where this is gonna go welded, put it all together, try not to burn my pile of stuff up there, and then do the same over there, and that'll be it for these brackets. The surface is prepped, and now's time to run some fat beads again. Some fat beads, huh? All right. So anyways, I've already done my first round of welding. You can actually see my weld in there. I've tacked this, and then I ran a bead in there and a bead over there. That's a tack weld, and then what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna put the bottom plate, weld that all around, same on the inside and along here, and be done with this side. So anyways, blew the fuse for the thingamajigger because I went full lape on it. But yeah, some I don't know, I'd call it good welds, but you guys probably have something else to say about them. Looks good. Now I'll get cleaned up, painted, and color done. So I'm here finishing this one up. That one's pretty much done. Now I'm gonna finish this side up over here, and should be done for the night. These over here are gonna have to wait for another day. It's already about to be midnight. Not really feeling it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, well, I gotta let this bitch cool so I can do the other beat.
Amelia, how do you like my pet?
It's nice.
Yeah, finally.
The constant threat of the car about to crush me, it's I don't know, that's a nice edge to it.
Yet he's still using it.
Yeah, I gotta do I have a choice? Alright, ready?
Good.
Oh god, here we go. Oh. Uh-oh.
And the use of the welder.
No, we're about to pop the breaker.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.